at a small cafe on Broadway, trying to find a way out of all trouble and dismay, traveling on a road unpaved. Everywhere I look, there's something there to remind me
that tomorrow, you know, it's V-Day, and I don't have a wifey, you know. I mean, I do, but she doesn't care about me. She fucking leaves the house and she fucking smokes a draw and shit. I don't know about this bitch. She like trying to be crazy. I think that she just can't understand that I am myself and I want to love her. I want to do these nice things for her, but she doesn't appreciate me. I cook for her, you know, and I give her a little back rub, you know, and she doesn't appreciate that. She comes to me when she wants it, and then after that she leaves. I don't understand what's going on in this world. This world is ridiculous.
You are my friend first. We talk about what hurts. We talk about love.